Think you're a master of English? Let's put that to the test. We've got 40 fun and challenging fill-in-the-blank questions for you. Write your score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat it. I breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. She water after her workout. She drinks water after her workout. He in the park every evening. He runs in the park every evening. They to school together. They walk to school together. We books in the library. We read books in the library. Your name on the paper. You write your name on the paper. I early at night. I sleep early at night. She up at 6 a.m. every day. She wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. He at a bank. He works at a bank. They English every afternoon. They study English every afternoon. I dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. She her room on weekends. She cleans her room on weekends. He the dishes after lunch. He washes the dishes after lunch. They the floor every Saturday. They mop the floor every Saturday. She the bed in the morning. She make the bed in the morning. I movies on Netflix. I watch movies on Netflix. She to music. She listens to music. He football with his friends. He plays football with his friends. They at parties. They dance at parties. We in the pool every summer. We swim in the pool every summer. You the window for fresh air. You open the window for fresh air. I the door before sleeping. I close the door before sleeping. She, her clothes. She irons her clothes. I emails on my computer. I type emails on my computer. You the phone quickly. You answer the phone quickly. I English to kids. I teach English to kids. She knew words every day. She studies new words every day. They notes during the lecture. They take notes during the lecture. I for groceries on Fridays. I shop for groceries on Fridays. She knew clothes for the party. She buys new clothes for the party. He fruits at the market. He sells fruits at the market. They to Paris every year. They travel to Paris every year. We are bags before traveling. We pack our bags before traveling. You to work every day. You drive to work every day. I my bicycle in the morning. I ride my bicycle in the morning. She the bus to school. She catches the bus to school. He for his train at the station. He waits for his train at the station. They a taxi to the airport. They take a taxi to the airport. She at the gym. She exercises at the gym. He the wheelchair to help his friend. He pushes the wheelchair to help his friend.